This is how to assemble the Automata Puzzle Maze game. So we've already had the top 4 pieces constrained. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple more of these pieces in and just show you how you can get it into the shape that you want it. So you should be using one of your designs. So first one, I'm going to grab this long piece and put it in. I'm going to always use the second constraint called fasten or mate. And I'm going to grab this piece right here, and I'm going to grab that corner, and I'm going to plop it in on this corner right here. Now, I know I'm going to move this. This is where we come up with the offsets. So over here, let me move this window out of the way, is where you see offsets. So I'm going to open up offsets. Well, I know it's tough to see, but on this case, my X is going left and right, my Y is going up and down, and my Z is going in and out. So I want to move this one, we'll say left and right. So I'm going to move it in the X direction. Now, will this always happen? No, it depends on which corners you pick and how it assigns it. It just doesn't put it in the X and Y and Z always in the same spot. So I'm going to type in, we're going to type in 0.75. And what I'm going to do first, I'm not going to hit the green X. I'm going to come down here and hit solve. And yes, that's moving in the right direction. So I kind of like that. So I'm going to hit the green X. I like that. I'm going to put another piece in, but now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to come over to one of these pieces and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. It's going to make it a little bit easier for me. So I want to bring that piece and I want to stick it over here somewhere. So I'm going to use the fasten. I'm going to grab one of these corners. So I'm going to grab, let's see, we'll grab that corner right there. And I'm going to put that corner right onto this corner down here. But that's not where I want that piece. I want it to be up and away from it a little bit. So I'm going to go to offset. Well, this time my X is going up and down. My Y is going left and right. So I want this to go up a little bit. So I'm going to go to my X. And we're going to type in 0.5 and see what happens. I'll hit solve. I'm not going to hit the green X. Well, that's not the direction I want it to go. I want it to go up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in negative 0.5 and I'll hit solve. Yep, that looks good. So I like that. Well, I also want to move this away from that piece. I don't want it to be right on that piece. So I'm going to go to my Y axis and I'm going to type in 0.5 again and I'll hit solve. See what happens. Yep, that's the direction I want. I have to have remember, you have to have a minimum of 0.5 between your pieces. Okay, maximum of 1, minimum 0.5. So I like that. I'm going to grab another piece and I'll grab this one. And I think I'm just going to leave that one straight up and down. So what I'm going to do is I'll go back to my fasten, come over here. I'm going to grab that corner right there. I'll come over here. Maybe I'll grab that corner. I'm going to move this left and right a little bit. So I'm going to hit offset. Well, this time my X again is back in the right direction. So I'm going to say, let's see, 0.375 and we'll hit solve. And that looks like it's going in the right direction, but I don't have enough space up here. I can tell right away that I don't have 0.5. So guess what? I'm not going to put that piece in. We're going to grab a little bit smaller piece. So I'm going to grab this piece and we'll go fasten, grab that same corner, come over here and I'll grab that corner, go to my offset and I want to be in the X direction, 0.375. I'll hit solve. Yep, that's looking pretty good. I like that. So that's kind of how you can put your pieces in. You're just going to put them in. You're going to add offsets to them so you can move them left and right and create your maze. Okay, your maze should look like one of your drawings.